Hey guys, it's Nathan over in the Writing Center. I hope to see you guys this fall. Again, if I do, I'm likely going to see you in one of two ways. One of those ways is going to be feedback by email, which I'm about to show you now. When you request an edit of your draft through feedback by email or FBE, we will send you some data that we will need to collect from you prior to your appointment. And one of those is going to be this student conference summary, which is very easy to fill out. It's just your class, who your teacher is, yada yada. And you also need to compile an email that lists the following. Number one is that in the subject you're going to put FBE conference request, and then you're going to follow that in the heading with or in the body of the email with 3 questions that are specific to what you want addressed in your draft. That way we're not spending countless minutes looking at things that you don't really necessarily want critiqued, I guess. Obviously we will read over the whole draft and only offer advice where it's wanted or where we feel it's warranted. So the 3 questions can be any 3 questions that you deem important. I threw some in here that are usually pretty common. My intro seems cluttered. I rambled. Couldn't find a good closing. Just look at it. Yada yada. Those 3 questions should be present, and along with you will attach your assignment, which should be in DOC format, which is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is available on all of the computers on DAC campus, and for those of you that are remote, you can also get Word. It's free. It's online at Microsoft Word. If you just Google free Microsoft Word, you will find a link that will take you there and download it. And so the document should be in DOC format, which is shown here. And also we will need your assignment guidelines attached to that as well, so that we can ensure that you have met all of your instructor's guidelines for the assignment. And then we'll offer your feedback in the appropriate timeline. And ensuring that all this data is here, guys, is going to limit any delays that you would have getting your draft back. I know how frustrating it can be when you're waiting for a draft, and it seems like the clock's ticking. And but we will be in communication with you quickly and efficiently, and as long as all of this stuff is present in your draft, you should see 0 delays. So have a good day, guys. Hope to see you in the Writing Center this fall.